Hello? No, don't run. Please. It's alright. I'm not here to harm you. Oh, you poor thing. You look exhausted and frightened. The forest can be overwhelming when it turns unfamiliar. Paths shifting, shadows stretching, every sound echoing louder than it should. But you're safe now, I promise. I'm here because the forest called me. The trees rustled your distress. The moss trembled with your quickened steps. And the wind carried your name as softly as a sigh. The moment you whispered, I don't know where I am, even if only in your thoughts, the forest answered, and so did I. Look at me. I won't touch you unless you want me to. Just breathe with me for a moment. In and out. Slowly, like this. Good, good. Your heartbeat is steadying. You're wondering who or what I am? I'm not human, not in the way you are. I'm older than these branches, younger than the first river stone, and made of thousands of stolen dreams, left behind by travelers who passed through here over centuries. If you prefer something simpler, you may call me forest spirit, or guardian, or guide. I like guide. It implies you're going somewhere safe. You're hurting. Lift your arm for me. Just a little. Yes, right there. Oh, this scratch is deeper than it looks. Bramblethorn, a hungry little plant that likes to cling. You must have pushed through the underbrush blindly. Your desperation was loud enough that I felt it from miles away. Let me help. I'm going to brush away the dirt. It might tickle a bit. Tell me if anything stings, all right? There we go. Just cleaning, wiping gently. Good. You're very brave. Most mortals flinch away from my touch at first. But you're steady. Now, there. The forest's healing energy is gentle but persistent. Do you feel that warmth? It means the wound is closing. Not all the way, just enough to ease your pain. Don't worry, you'll be alright. Now, will you walk with me? I'll stay by your side the entire way. Good. Come closer. No need to be shy. Take my hand. Yes, it's okay. It may feel cool at first, but it will warm to your touch. Down. The moss beneath our feet. Do you see the faint silver glow? That is starlace moss. It wakes when a lost soul needs guiding. Watch. The glow brightens when we're going the right way. As long as we follow it, the forest will not mislead us. Step softly, the roots are listening. Can you hear that? The night creatures singing, the branches whispering stories. The stream not far from here, laughing softly over stones. The forest is alive with voices. They're not dangerous, they're simply old. Older than fear, older than human language. Every sound here is a memory. Some belong to travelers like you, others belong to the forest itself, and some belong to me. We're approaching a clearing here. Come sit with me for a moment. You've been walking for far longer than you realize. Mortals lose their sense of time in places like this. You must be tired. Sit. The moss is soft. It remembers those who need rest. Look up at the canopy. See how the branches sway slowly, even without wind? That's the forest reaching for the moonlight. Everything here is connected. Roots, leaves, magic, memory, and now you too. Hmm. Hmm. You're part of this place. Just for tonight, at least. You've been carrying something, haven't you? Not just the fear of being lost. There's heaviness in your breath, worry in your shoulders, sadness in the way you hold yourself. You don't have to explain. The forest doesn't need words. Feel this instead. Just sweeping away tension, clearing the weight you brought with you. Slowly, softly, letting it fall into the moss where it can dissolve. You do not have to be strong every moment. Here, you can simply exist, breathe, be human, be tired, be vulnerable. It's all allowed. I'm right here. All right, let's stand again. We need to keep moving. Stay close. This part of the forest is playful.
We've reached your path. See there? The moonlight touching the ground? It leads straight to the village. You'll be home soon. I suppose this is goodbye, but only for tonight. You're always welcome here. The forest remembers kindness, and so do I. Now go on, wanderer. Walk safely, sleep deeply, and may you never feel truly lost again. Good night, until our paths cross once more.